A very good morning to all of you. I am Kishan Verma, student of Madan Mohan Malviya, pursuing MTech Information Technology, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is my presentation. This is my online presentation on ARDDP, Advanced Reliable and Efficient Data Dissemination Protocol in Wireless Sensor Network. These are my contents. Here we can see the first part is introduction, second part is literature survey, third part is research gap and proposed solution, and fourth is the proposed work which I have done in this paper. Fifth is comparison of AREDDP with existing protocols, and last part is conclusion and future and what reference I have taken. Here we can see the introduction part, that is introducing for the AREDDP wireless sensor network are a web of sensor nodes with a set of processor and limited memory unit embedded in it. Protocol is WSN, emphasize on data dissemination, limited battery power and bandwidth constraint in order to facilitate efficient working of network. In wireless sensor network, routing is bit more complex than other wired or wireless networks. Sensor networks are needed in the applications like environment monitoring, industrial control units, military applications, and in the context-aware computing environments. Literature survey. The bypass routing protocol explain that if received packet is not nominated for a specific node, then by itself it bypasses the received packet. Consumption of energy in this method is very less. Multipath routing protocol is most used protocol in WSN. Multiple path of destination node is provided in this protocol which ensure reliability. Multipath routing protocol represents proactive routing. The literature survey in paper 5, the author described a method to make use of received signal strength and residual energy to locate multiple paths to base station. It uses an energy adaptive multipath routing technique by reliable data communication and less energy utilization. In paper 6, the author described a method for finding routes for wireless sensor nodes using optimization. In the last 7 paper, we can see the author presented a method in which packet of several applications randomly select their own routes with the help of power utilization for each route. The multi-path routing algorithm described in it resolve lots of the obstacles for the various temporal order event dispatches in WSN. Research gap and proposed solution. Following research gaps are found after studying the existing protocols in wireless sensor network. The gap one is in bypass routing protocol. 1. Network lifetime is more due to less consumption of energy, so it is energy efficient protocol, but reliability in this protocol is not guaranteed. Figure 1 shows the working model that how packet is transmitted using bypass protocol. Here X, Y, Z and Z are different sensor nodes. There are two cases considered in this figure. In first case, Z1 is the packet which needs to be received at front from X. Here Y bypass Z1. Here in second case, Y1 is the packet which needs to be received by Y. Here packet is received at its destination. No bypass is needed. As we can see, the figure has been elaborated. The packet transmitted in bypass routing protocol. The gap 2 we can see here, the in multipath routing protocol 2, due to various multipath to destination, the reliability of packet transmission is high, but with increase in the path, interference will also increase, which degrade the efficiency. Energy will also get reduced due to the multipath. Figure 2 shows how packet is broadcasted from source to reach the destination using multipath. Here we can see the figure, the 5 star we can see here, the source and the destination, and the figure 2 is elaborated here, the packet transmission in multipath routing protocol. The proposed work used to concept of class. The concept of proposed protocol provides a balance for the energy utilization, reliability of and network existence. Figure 3 shows the design of class in the protocol. The rings donate the various classes. The multipath routing protocol and bypass routing protocol is combined in the proposed routing protocol. Advanced, reliable, and efficient data dissemination protocol used to technique of multipath routing protocol for high reliability. The effective energy efficiency and improved network lifetime is achieved using the technique of bypass routing protocol. Objective of the proposed advanced, reliable, and efficient data dissemination protocol (AREDDP) is to be distributed to the nodes into several cases. Implementation of the protocol consists of two phases discussed below, categorized phase 1 class creation and second phase 2 is packet transmission. In proposed protocol AREDDP there is only one sink and that sink would be availability within only one class, not in all. So use of the multipath technique within various classes will result in a high consumption of energy and thus network lifetime will also get reduced. Therefore within various classes bypass technique is used which help in energy efficient. Multipath technique is used for the case when sink is not within the same class. It ensures reliability. It can show in the figure 4 working of proposed protocol. Here we are, let's consider number of nodes in class M. Total number of nodes is in network is n. During the transmission of the packet, the class number of the receiver nodes is compared with the source node class number. If it is same, then it checks whether sync is the receiving node or not. If it is sync node, then it processes the packet, otherwise it bypasses the packet. If sync is not within the same class, then packet is broadcasted using multipath technique to ensure the reliability. Here we can see the flowchart of AREDDP that has been proposed. Comparison of AREDDP with the existing protocol. Here we can see the routing protocol is bypass protocol, having power usage is lowest, reliability is less, and scalability is good, and QoS is okay. Here we have the multipath routing protocol for the existing, that is a high power usage, highest reliability, and good scalability. And AREDDP, the proposed work is power usage is low, reliability is high, and scalability is good, and QoS is also okay. Comparison of with existing protocol has been shown in the figure in table 1, and we have the conclusion and future work for this proposed paper. This paper proposed a protocol AREDDP for the WSN have most hopeful future to many applications now. Numbers of modifications have been introduced in the multipath routing protocol by different authors using various methods but concept of class of the proposed work improve the reliability and energy efficiency. Advanced, reliable, and efficient data dissemination protocol does not modify message or packet size and also does not use any additional resources. We are continuing our study for making research on a project for efficiency and reliability in wireless sensor network along with the security in coming future. Here we are my references which I have taken for my proposed work, and thank you.